Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by confirming your iPhone supports Esim and that iOS is current. This avoids later compatibility issues. Next, get the carrier details, QR code, activation code, or carrier app, because you'll need them immediately. Connect to a stable Wi-Fi network to download the profile without interruptions. Once done, open Settings and go to Cellular. Make sure to keep your physical SIM handy if you plan dual SIM use. These steps set up a smooth activation flow and reduce chances of activation errors. You then add the eSIM by tapping Add Cellular Plan and scanning the carrier QR code. If you don't have a QR, choose Enter Details manually and input the SMDP plus address and activation code. Once the plan downloads, label it clearly so you know which is primary and which is secondary. This matters for calls and iMessage. Next, set your default line for voice and cellular data and adjust data roaming per your travel needs. Make sure to test a data connection and a short call to confirm full functionality. To finish, restart your iPhone to finalize the eSIM profile installation. This often resolves background registration tasks. After reboot, verify cellular signal, data, and SMS. Make a quick call and send a message to confirm. If activation fails, first retry scanning the QR or re-enter details, then contact your carrier. Sometimes they must finalize provisioning on their end. Finally, if profiles conflict, remove the eSIM and reinstall it, and double-check APN settings.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.